I have a very specific kind of Monday morning resentment. It is not the strategy meeting. It is the pre-meeting report ritual. Open GA4, check Google Ads, pull LinkedIn numbers, screenshot a dashboard, export a CSV, paste everything into an AI chat, then spend 10 minutes explaining what normal means for your business. By the time the report exists, the useful part of your brain has already left the room. Skills Marketplace by Databox launched today for exactly that loop. The pitch is simple. A free library of ready-made AI analytics skills and workflows. Paid ads, website performance, e-commerce, revenue, SEO visibility, LinkedIn performance, and more. Each skill connects to live Databox data, pulls the right metrics, and brings the business context with it. It returns a finished, shareable report in under a minute. You can run the skill in Claude when you want an answer in chat, or schedule it through N8N, so the report lands in Slack or email automatically. That sounds like a small convenience, but for introverts, it hits a bigger nerve. Analytics work is often quiet, pattern-based, and weirdly satisfying. Report assembly is not. Report assembly is clerical theater. It is doing the same context transfer every week. So a group of humans can spend the first 15 minutes of a meeting agreeing that the spreadsheet exists. If the numbers already live somewhere, and the definitions already exist, the report should be waiting for you, not the other way around. The test I would run is boring on purpose. Pick one weekly report, GA4 traffic, Google Ads pacing, LinkedIn performance, or e-commerce revenue. Connect the source once, run the skill. Then check 3 things. Did it pull the right date range? Did it compare against a useful baseline? And did it avoid hallucinated benchmarks? The classic AI move where it confidently invents what good should look like. Databox says the skills bring live numbers with real context built in. That is the claim worth testing. If it works, the workflow changes in a very quiet way. Instead of starting with export and explain, you start with review. The AI hands you sessions, channels, conversion rate, spend, anomalies, and the first pass narrative. You still decide what matters. You still know whether the spike came from a campaign, a press hit, or a weird bot traffic day. But the first draft is no longer an empty chat box begging for context. It is a structured report with the numbers already attached. This is where I would be strict. A report assistant should not become a dashboard confetti cannon. It should answer the few questions a real operator asks every week. What changed? Why might it have changed? Is anything broken? What deserves action? What can safely be ignored? If the skill gives you 5 pages of generic insight, it failed. If it gives you 3 anomalies, 2 likely causes, and 1 decision to make, it saved the meeting from becoming a performance. The introvert advantage is not avoiding data. It is avoiding repetitive explanation. Every time you paste a CSV into an AI tool, you are reintroducing your business to a stranger. Here are our channels. Here is seasonality. Here is what conversion rate means for us. Here is why this campaign name is not random nonsense. That is cognitive small talk. Skills with attached data and reusable context are the antidote. They let the system remember enough that you can skip the warm-up and get to judgment. My verdict? Worth trying if you already live in Databox, or if your Monday report is still assembled by hand. It is probably less useful if your metrics are messy, your definitions keep changing, or nobody agrees what the report is supposed to answer. AI cannot fix unclear operating questions, but it can stop making one quiet person gather evidence for everyone else. I would also give each skill an owner, because automated reporting still needs taste. Someone has to decide which anomaly matters, which baseline is fair, and when the report should interrupt people. The bigger signal is that useful AI is moving from chat prompts to prepared workflows. Not, please analyze my random spreadsheet. More like, run the traffic report skill, with our live data, our context, and our normal structure. That is calmer. That is more repeatable. And for people who work best alone, repeatable is freedom. Build the report once, schedule it, and let Monday morning start with decisions instead of downloads.